What exactly motivated you to, shift your focus to being a career mentor?
Why can't I give out to people who are getting into industry? And that was one of the major reason I'm looking for being a mentor.
Welcome, Yogesh sir, to Dheya Masterpieces. How are you doing today?
I'm very good. How about you?
I'm fine, sir. Thank you so much. Let's start the interview by getting to know you a bit more and about your career journey as well.
Sure. Yeah. So basically, I started my career about 30 years back, to be precise, in 1990 when I graduated from engineering college. And I always aspired to be an engineer. In fact, I always wanted to understand machines. I always had a fascination for how machines work, etc. When I was young, in the schools, etc. So always wanted to pursue my engineering. So I did that, and I immediately got into basically a production setup in one of the multinationals in Pune. And I changed the job and then joined another multinational in Nasik. So where I spent about 4 5 years, and that was a Dana Corporation, American multinational, and I worked there in production. Then when I moved into a new project or new company setup, which is called as Spicer India, I got an excellent experience of greenfield project, the starting. When you start from land, there is nothing, you can't see a building, but you need to now start having a building, then production, etc. And of course, I had a responsibility related to engineering, and so I worked with customers and developed the product. And then later on, I progressed. I went to US multiple times. In fact, I was there for about 5 years through Dana's office, and I got a lot of exposure, multinational, I mean international exposure. I was handling Asia Pacific region's product strategy for Dana, which was quite a good portfolio. I also helped set up an engineering center for another MNC called as Eaton Corporation.
Yeah.
I was heading the engineering center setup for one of the divisions there, and then I headed one their factory, which is one of the largest factory of Eaton in India, and I was responsible for complete setup, complete location. So that was also an excellent experience. 500 people, so people management, new product, new line setup, a huge amount of capital investment we did that time. So I got a tremendous amount of variety of experience. I did not stick to one department. I always wanted to get different department experience like engineering, projects, product strategy. I moved into production. I had a international experience.
What exactly motivated you to, shift your focus to being a career mentor?
Yeah, definitely. I think when you reach to a certain level, you feel that you have achieved certain thing and you feel comfortable. At the same time, when you see newcomers coming into the industry, uh, having no experience, I want them to start with some kind of experience, some kind of understanding. So why everybody should learn from their own mistakes, or why everybody should go through the process? Why can't we teach them? Why can't we, as a senior, why can't I give out to people who are getting into industry? And that was one of the major reason I'm looking for being a mentor.
How do you see yourself progress through there as a career mentor?
Yeah, actually, career mentoring is something which is also new learning for me. And with help of Deya's senior people who have been in this field, I want to develop this kind of skill in me, because this kind of skill is not very common. And the thing is, it's a methodical mentoring process. It's very good, which is why I wanted to get into this. And I always believed that organizations or big companies can be built on strengths of people, right? I mean, that is why it is important that we identify or we understand what our strengths are, yeah, as an individual. And so that is what exactly I want to do, to find out, or to help person find out his or, yeah, her own strength, so that the person can get into that field. Strength, passion, you can call it various names, but it is really the strength. If you have a strength in something, inclination of something, you have a passion towards that.
Yeah.
And you really need to tap to the passion. So it's like said many places that if you should enjoy your work. So if you are really passionate about something and you are in a different field, then you really don't enjoy, you get stuck into various levels. And that is where exactly I wanted to help people. And that is how I would do my journey, with help of you people who would help me, uh, I mean, grow myself also in this new kind of field, you know.
Do you have any message for viewers?
Yeah, I think this is a very good initiative. They took many years back, 2006, I believe. And instead of having the only known career paths, namely doctors and engineers or CA, one should identify what his or her strength is, or parents should identify what the strengths of their kids are, and a liking, strengths, passion, and accordingly they should help them take the education,
Right.
so that kids will be successful in their life and they will be happy. Not only successful, but I think being happy is extremely important for the person. And the same applies to the mid-career professionals. So that is where I would say that my message would be that identify your own strengths with help of their mentors, and then grow in your fields.
Thank you so much, Yogesh sir, for connecting with me today. And I hope our journey goes a long way. It was a pleasure talking to you, and it's a pleasure to have you on board.